You know, when I put my gloves, it's always something about to happen. Check this out. Look at this gross iPad. The rubber piece is missing, screen is cracked, top power button is not like pressing. But look how gross is this already. Like how would you use your case like this? And look at the back. And the crazy part here is this. When you remove this case, right? Look at that. Look at this. Like you never wonder what's under the case and try to remove. You cannot even see the front camera. It's covering like from the dirt and everything. And let me try to move this from the back if I can. See like how sticky is this? Cannot even remove. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So gross. We're gonna deep clean this and fix the screen. Since this power button doesn't work and I have to turn off the iPad, so you go to settings, accessibility, you go assistive touch, and when we have this, so this way we can turn off the iPad and start on the repair. You hold it on the lock screen for the slide. Here we go. Now we can start working on the iPad. They never remove this case, otherwise they will see all this dirt underneath. There is no way you won't see this. I'm still using it. And the rubber piece is just gone. They broke me like that. See, like it's not even coming off anymore because it's so hard and thick now. You see the dirt already, right? Look at this. Unbelievable. All you had to do. This side is so gross, like really gross. Look at this. See, like stuff is falling apart. Yo. I'm going to try to fix the power button too. Maybe. We'll see. How often do you change your case? I'm asking everyone who's watching this. How often do you change? And how often actually you clean your device? Is it like once a week? Once a month? Let me know in comment. Oh gosh. This charging port and speakers are so gross. Look. Disgusting. Nice, that's what I'm talking about. I have to take this dirt on the screen as well, so I can start working. Look at that. Like, look at this. What is it? Unbelievable. Time to remove all these broken glasses left on the iPad. They're trying to reach the hospital. There is a glass inside that. Screen is fixed. Time to clean this gross case. Would you clean this or you will get a new one? Honestly, let me know in comment. What would you do? I'm gonna clean it because he said he doesn't have any money. I was gonna tell him stop the cap, but it's alright. Gonna be a nice guy. See those? So many DNAs around. So many. Like this one is so gross. Like this one is really gross. Look. Like they never even tried to take this. Clean it. Like when you look at the case, it don't bother you. You seen it like your case is dirty, right? And you're still using it like that? Oh. Come on, man. Even you don't want to clean it? At least get a new one. Pretty sure you can find something cheaper. See all of this? Just came from this one. Unbelievable. And this part too. You better share this video with your friends and family, because I spent so much time to clean it. No, I didn't charge for this one. The moment you all have been waiting for. Your iPad is ready, search. Look at this. Can I get a wow? Look. No more dirt. That's how we do it. That's how it's supposed to be, right? Of course, you want to see the case too, right? Look at that. Look at this. Clean, nice, and the back cover. So no more dirt, nothing. You remember this part? Look, nothing in there now.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.